Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's class. Let us continue with the 8th lesson, algebraic expressions and operations on them. So, children, get ready with your textbook and notebook. In the previous video, you have seen subtraction of algebraic expressions. Today, we will start with multiplication of algebraic expressions. Let us start multiplying a monomial by a monomial. So again, let's recall what is a monomial. If there is only one term, then we call the expression as a monomial. Now here we are multiplying monomial by a monomial. Now if you look at the first example, it is 3x multiplied by 12y. 3x is a monomial, 12y is also a monomial. Whenever we multiply any monomial by a monomial, we first multiply their coefficients and then we will multiply their variables. Now what is the coefficient of 3x? It is 3. Coefficient of 12y is 12. Then write the variables x and y all in multiplication. Now here 3 12s are 36. So we will write here 36. X multiplied by y is xy. Hence 3x multiplied by 12y is 36xy. Now next example, negative 12x multiplied by 3y square. Now again, if you look here, negative 12x is a monomial, 3y square is also a monomial. First we will multiply the coefficients. Here the coefficient of negative 12x is negative 12 and coefficient of 3y square is 3. So first we will multiply the coefficients of both the monomials and then we will write the variable part, that is x, and y square is y multiplied by y. Now negative 12 into 3 is negative 36. Then x into y is x y square. So we will write here negative 36xy square. Now next example, 2a square multiplied by 3ab square. Now again here coefficient is 2. So we will write here 2. In 3ab square coefficient is 3. So we will write here 3. Now multiply all the variable part, that is a square, then a and b square. Now multiply the coefficients first, that is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. A square into a is a cube multiplied by b square, that is 6a cube b square. Now when you multiply 2a square with 3ab square, you will get 6a cube b square. Now fourth example, negative 3x square multiplied by negative 4xy. Now here both the monomials are negative. So first we will write their coefficient, that is negative 3 and negative 4 in multiplication. Then write the variable part, that is x square into x into y. Now negative 3 into negative 4 is 12. X square into x is x cube multiplied by y. Hence you will get the answer 12x cube y. Now in all these example, if you see, here in first example you are multiplying both the positive monomials. So you will get the positive answer. Here you are multiplying a negative monomial with positive monomial, the answer is negative. Here as again both are positive, the answer is positive. And here both the monomials are negative, the answer is again positive. Now in one more conclusion, what we have done here, when multiplying two monomials, first multiply the coefficients along with the signs and then multiply the variables. So in all these examples, we have multiplied the coefficients first along with the sign and then we have multiplied the variables. Now we will see multiplying a binomial by a monomial. Now here in first example, x bracket x plus y. So here this x is a monomial and x plus y, that is written in the bracket, is a binomial. Now what we are doing here, we are multiplying monomial by binomial or binomial by a monomial. Now in such case we will multiply the monomial that is written outside the bracket with each and every term of the binomial. That is, this x will be multiplied by the first term of the bracket, then we will put the same sign, Then again this x will be multiplied with the second term that is given in the binomial or in the bracket, that you will get the second term. So here you will get x multiplied by x as the first term plus x multiplied by y as the second term. That is, you are distributing the monomial outside the bracket over every term of the bracket. Now here x into x is x square plus x into y is xy. Hence x multiplied by x plus y is x square plus x plus y. Now one more example. Here the binomial is written first and the monomial is written afterwards. But we will apply the same rule, that is, first we will multiply 7x with 3z, then the same sign we will put in middle, then 6y multiplied by 3z. So you will get here 7x minus 6y multiplied by 3z is 7x into 3z, that will be the first term, minus 6y into 3z. Now multiply 7x and 3z. So how we will multiply the monomial with monomial? Multiply the coefficient first. That is 7 multiplied by 3, then multiplied by x multiplied by z. So here you have written the multiplication of first term or first monomial with the first term of the binomial. Then we will put the same sign, that is minus. Then again multiply the coefficient of 6y and 3z, that is 6 multiplied by 3, then multiplied by y multiplied by z. Now here 7 3s are 21, x into z, it is xz. So here you will get the first term as 21xz minus 3yz. 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by y multiplied by z is 6 3s are 18, 18yz. Now children, I expect everyone have understood how to multiply binomial by a monomial or monomial by a binomial. That is, we will multiply each and every term of the binomial, that is both the terms of the binomial with the monomial, and we will take out the bracket, we will put the sign that is given in between in middle and multiply them.